Hi, it's Ben Grabham from ADB. We're out here in the Blue Mountains today with the Yamaha WR250F. As you can see, we're on a rather tricky hill. There's a lot of different lines up here. So in this video today, we're going to show you step by step how to get it done and hopefully get to the top safe and sound. Yeah, so here we are at the bottom of the hill. Basically, I'm just going to have a quick stop and have a quick look for what I think's the safest, smoothest line. To my left up here, it looks pretty gnarly and rocky, and with the rock being so wet, I'm going to stay clear of that. I'm not going for any glory and risk breaking levers or any bike damage. So over to the right, it looks nice and smooth, and there's a lot of dirt out there, so that's where we're going to go. We're going to not hit it with too much speed because we don't want to go flying off the edge, but just enough. Nice clean run up here. The best way to approach or attack a hill like this is when you're riding up to it, basically take your time a bit. I ride up and I'm not afraid to pull up, pretty much scope out the hill and just work out the smooth, the rough lines, where everything is, just so I can try and get a clean run up it. Once I've worked out where I'm going, then I sort of work out what speed I need to hit the hill at. On the WR250, second gear is a nice gear to climb hills on this little thing. So I get in the second gear and I've scoped out my smooth line, which is around the outside. The reason I go there is I'm away from all the slippery rocks. There's a nice bit of loamy dirt there for good grip. And then also, if I do end up going too slow and need to put my feet down, I'm in a nice little rut there where I can get my legs down either side, and it's just a safety thing. So then once I'm into it and go up there, I try and keep a constant speed. The last thing you want to do is go stopping on the hill or anything like that, because momentum's always your friend when going up a hill like this. I stay in second gear. I've also got my finger over the clutch too, just in case I do lose a bit of drive or go a bit slow. I can just fan a little bit to keep going. While I'm doing all this, I'm just looking as far ahead as I can on the line I want to go up the hill, and just continue on in second gear till I'm at the top of the hill nice and safe. The common problem I see people doing on hills like this is basically not taking their time and planning the hill. They just rush into it. Before you know it, you're on a shitty line, you're on the slippery rocks, and the biggest problem there is you risk breaking the clutch lever, ruining your trail ride, even damaging the engine, falling over on the rocks and that. So it's just best to take your time, plan your route up the hill, and it'll be a lot more enjoyable. So the main steps to remember are just take your time. Like I said, stop at the bottom, scope out a safe line, work out a safe speed, whether it's first, second gear, then just get yourself nice and comfortable and balanced on the bike, and then just continue nice momentum all the way to the top.